friends! Welcome to a super fun art channel. Today we're going to draw a colorful and silly painting called Brainrot Tralalero Tralala. It's going to be so much fun, so grab your crayons and let's get started. I'd love to see your amazing drawings too. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or email. I can't wait to see your awesome art. And don't forget to hit subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and ring the bell so you never miss a fun art adventure. Let's draw! If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Now it's time for the best part, coloring! Are you ready to bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors? Stay with me, because these colors are gonna make everything look super fun and amazing. Let's see what magic we can create together. Let's start coloring! give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Painting is all done. I can't believe how fast time flew by when I was busy painting. I hope you loved today's drawing as much as I did. Be sure to look forward to our next fun painting because we have lots of cool and colorful ideas coming up. Don't forget to send me your drawings on Instagram, Facebook, or email. The links are in the description below. And hey, make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the fun. Bye-bye for now, and keep your art bright and happy until next time.